Good morning, everybody. How are you doing today? Annelie van Wyk speaking. I just want to ask you, do you know how to make a live video? That's a tough one, eh? Not so easy. A live video makes you get out of your comfort zone. A live video makes you grind your teeth. A live video makes you nervous and thinking, oh, what are they going to think of me out there? What are they going to say about me? Forget about them. I'll tell you, the first time that I had to make a live video, I thought, oh man, oh man, oh man. And it wasn't so difficult. It was not so difficult. Once you start doing it, it's actually an addiction problem. You become used to it. And you want to do it. No matter what, you want to do it. And you want to do it now. Anyway, the first idea is, when you want to make a live video, is to get an idea. You must get a topic. And make a few points about that topic. What do you want to tell your people? What do you want to tell your audience? What do you want to share? And just embroider a little bit on it. Like this video. Basically the same thing. You get your ideas of you want to say, tell them A, B, and C, like I'm doing now. First of all, you make a few notes, pointers of what you want to say, so that you don't sit there and say, no clue what I'm talking about, and you're going around in circles with the same sentence. But unfortunately, I don't have that talent, so we write to the point, fortunately. Anyway, check your background. Your background mustn't be too busy. The people mustn't watch your background all the time rather than watching what you are saying, even though they would find you on YouTube and focus on what you are saying. Supposed to, but if you've got a very exciting background, they're not going to listen to you. They're going to check your background all the time. So don't worry about wrinkles. Don't worry about all these stuff and all those things, and gray hair and hair that's not perfect. And the people's there to get the message, not to look at you. Otherwise, they would go to a beauty parlor and take a picture in a magazine or whatever. They're there to get the information you want to share. That's what you focus on. You focus on this little light, that little light on top. And just imagine it's a person standing there. Give him a face. Draw a little cardboard face and put it over your little focus point if you want to, over your little camera. And just be yourself. Just be yourself. People know when you are natural and they know when you are acting. Now, I don't think we're all such good actors like the people on TV. We're just ourselves. And we don't redo and retake and cut in pieces, put it all together and eventually get a movie. We're just straightforward. But be original. Talk out of your heart. Don't just blabber like a statue, robot, biddy. Talk, be yourself, enjoy what you are telling them. Put a smile on your face or something in that direction. And so if the people's laughing at you on the other side, you can't see them, you can't hear them. That's their problem if they want to laugh at you. At least you're doing it. They're not. So, for yourself, give yourself a high five. Well done. You're doing it. But don't think of what if, and ooh, and and everything else. Just do it. That's the focus point. Just do it. Play with twiddle your thumbs in the meantime. Take a pen and hit it on your hand, just not on your head because your head's in the view. And forget about everybody else. The focus point is that little screen, the pointers that you want to give across, and just do it. That's all. Just do it. And you will find out afterwards that wasn't so bad. And in the beginning, you're tongue-tied and you ooh and ah and you don't know what to say. You feel so nervous. And afterwards, after a few times, you're just blabbering around. If your tenses, like I'm Afrikaans speaking, English is not my first language. My tenses or my is and ahs are always mixed up. Well, who cares? If they don't like the video, they mustn't listen to it. Anyway, that's just sharing my little bit of information of how to make a live video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I taught you something. Love you and leave you. Speak to you next time. Bye. And I still just quickly want to add, at the bottom should be a like button. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel, and then I will speak to you soon. Okay. Thank you, and be well. Have an awesome day. Bye.